Hey everyone, welcome back to Team Legacy MMA Academy. Today we're going to show you 3 sweeps you can use from closed guard when your opponent manages to stand up. From closed guard, our opponent manages to stand up and get to their feet. We hold on tight with our legs, dropping our feet, bringing them to the hips. This is also important in MMA or street fighting context so I can defend the punches. From here, without removing my feet, I'm going to whip my head across, catching the back of his ankle. I'm going to take the opposite foot and place it behind his knee. I still have a foot on the hip for frames and for defense. If he's punching from here, it's going to be very difficult for him to reach me, as you can see. To get the sweep, we're going to just pull his foot a little bit off the ground while extending the top leg. Be sure that this opposite hook behind the knee is sticky. If he tries to step out, we want to stay connected. Once we're connected, we're going to push with our foot as we pull the foot off the floor, creating a nice tripod sweep. I have closed guard. My opponent manages to get to his feet. As he does, I hold on tight with my legs so that as he stands up, it pulls me a little closer. I'm going to take one of my arms and try to go as deep as I can, elbow deep if I'm able. From here, I'm going to press on the floor. I'm going to do a motion where I'm raising my hips and tilting over his knee line here to get the knockdown. From here, I'm going to slide forward into an S-mount position, and then I can easily transition to traditional mount. Previously, we did our tripod sweep and we did our lumberjack sweep. The third sweep we're going to use is going to be a backside 50 from K-guard. My opponent manages to get to their feet. I'm going to invert my knee, keeping my foot leveraged right here inside of his hip with the bottom of my foot up. From here, I have a good frame, and if he puts his weight down on me, I can use this to keep his weight off and support myself. From here, when I feel ready, I'm going to throw my outside leg across, and I'm going to sneak my foot inside. From here, I'm going to be able to make a nice rotation and get the sweep. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tips to level up your BJJ game.